All right, guys, what's up? I'm gonna show you guys. We were out here for a little fun event. Check down below. I'll list them. I found a little Honda event. We got a shop. I just showed you guys. They got a couple EGs in there. They do bikes, everything else. But we're gonna run through while they're still on the mic. They got a DJ. He's doing great. They got like Caribbean food or something. Man, oh, that stuff looks so good. But we're gonna run through. It's a fun little like open house, like meet and greet. We're up here in Maryland. So I want to show you guys what we got out here. We got a couple fun like Hondas. I got one of the guys, he was from Cali, inviting me out here. I was like, what? And he's like, yeah, man, I've been out here for a year, so I wanted to invite you. But I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna show you guys a couple fun cars they got out here. You know how they do Hondas, man. It's all like K-swap and turbos. So I'm gonna show you the couple cars that came out here. It's a little challenge because you know how it goes with the music. But let me show you, and then like only the East Coast can do this. We got a donk out here. A donk. I know you guys didn't expect me to, you didn't expect me to say that, but we got one of those out here. I'm gonna show you that too. I want to say it was like a Buick or something. I can't see it from here. I think maybe a Chevy. All right, but I'm gonna show you guys that too. And we're gonna run through the cars that are out here. It's a great little fun get together with just a handful of really good cars. So let's get going. I'm gonna show you guys what's out here, and let's have some fun. All right, guys, so let me show you some of the cars that are out here. We're like in this industrial park. I'm sure you guys saw. And there's a mix of like everything. There's like a little 335. There's a handful of like little Euros and BMWs over there to the side. But we got the, it's not an OEM, but it's the OEM style hardtop because it's a carbon one. Little AP1 on some AP2 wheels, dumped out with the little AP2 lip on it. As we come down, got a couple Evos that came out. I know it's funny, like I said Honda, and I'm going to show you a bunch of stuff that's not Honda. Yeah, Evos, little wingless in the back. I love the wingless look on it. Looks good. RPFs, it's not too low, so it's still functional. The other thing, you got to have it so you can handle the snow if you're going to take it out in the snow. RPFs again, he's got the headlight delete for the air. Here, look. So super clean. I really like both of them. That one's got a wing. I really like it without the wing on the back. I think wingless is the way to go. Got a little EK hatch with a 5-lug conversion on it. I don't know what he's got under the hood, but he's got a little 5-lug conversion on it. He's got the Type R seats in it with a little radio block off plate and everything. I need to get one of those. Got a couple S2Ks. Got the one with the full LED tails. Hopefully I can get close enough without the music kicking us out. But yeah, with the full LED tails. I actually like them if you're not going for that OEM Plus look anymore. Like there's definitely nothing wrong with that. I can't swing you guys. I want to say that donk for last. But yeah, so we got the AP1 on some TEs with some spoon calipers. Then we got the AP2 with the full spoon kit, wide bodied. Says Reborn CR for the license plate. Look! I found some Cali love out here. This is actually the guy that invited me out. And he was like, "Hey, there's this Honda thing. You should come out for it." Got the OEM top on it. Got the swan neck. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful for the way he's got this thing set up. But yeah, this is some extra Cali love right here. He a SoCal guy. We were chopping it up for a while, just talking about SoCal, talking about kind of the difference in between like SoCal and the East Coast out here for the way they're doing things. You guys know, like I always tell you guys, I'm probably not gonna be able to get close enough for this music, but that K-swap turbo, that's how they do it. You guys heard this thing running. Man, it's great to still see a B series. Like it anymore, they're all taken out of these cars anymore. Huge turbo. It's all bragging rights out here for, who's the fastest, who can run 8 seconds, who can run 8 seconds or better. I ain't a 10-second car anymore. 10 seconds is slow. Look, my EM1 guys, okay, I found one that, kind of competes with you guys. Look how clean this is. He got it on a set of ITR wheels, so he's got the 5-lug conversion on it. Really, really clean OEM Plus. OEM Plus EM1. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's right-hand drive. Did I get you guys on that? I don't know. I like to play around. So everybody in the comments caught that right off the bat. So, but look how clean this is. This is beautiful. Little EK coupe. 5-lug converted, like I said. Got the whole kind of Type R conversion on it. Right-hand drive. Love it. Absolutely love it. Love it. We got a little VIP GS over here. This one's left-hand drive, so yes, it's a GS 300, just so you guys don't yell at me, with some Nissan wheels. We got the Integra over here with the K-swap, little 2-door. I love the color. The color's great. Kind of color match the valve cover, but you know, it's all about running them out here. We got a little drift spec 180. And then you guys can see it in the background. You guys know where I'm going. Look at this thing. Oh man, what? It's like a Chevy Caprice. Full dunk. I don't even know. I'm gonna say like 32s, and I'm gonna be wrong. He got 28s on it. That thing crazy. Look how clean. Look at it. Look at the stereo setup in it. I mean, what other size car can you fit a full set of mid-range, highs, everything else in the doors? In the doors. Like, I know you guys are gonna make fun of me, but I think it's great. Look, here's his IG. Here's his IG. Now, one of the things I am not gonna knock is, I mean, look at that tuck. Look at that tuck. One of the things I'm not gonna knock is these guys are doing these huge set of wheels and builds and everything else, and then they're like twin turboing them, and they've got the juice. They're drag racing guys and just embarrassing people. I don't knock it. Like, I think it's great. Got a little drift spec 180 on some equips, some little 4-spoke equips. Nice. It's actually pretty good. It's a lot better than they normally are. Normally they're just horrible. Got another one. Nice little setup. That one's got the bash bar on it and everything, so you know they swing in that. Another little S13. I like it. Got a little TSX hanging out over here. I don't think he's part of the group, but you know, we give it a little love because it's a little Honda stuff. He got the red badge on the back, so he's trying. But yeah, so this is, let me tell you guys, this is one of those spots. Oh, the sun was bright. This is one of those spots that I want to come out to. So, you know, this happens to be Honda specific. It's a nice little shop. The owners are super cool. They're Honda heads. They work on other stuff too, but they're Honda heads. They do a lot of bike stuff, as you guys can see in there. And it's just a lot of East Coast love. Like, it really was. Everybody I talked to here, everybody I was interacting with was great. So to make this little run out here to show you guys, like, I really enjoyed this. I know it was a quick hit. I know it was a little shot for you guys. So I hope you liked it. You guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like these little shop tours like this. Like I said, I like coming out and doing stuff like this for you. And just kind of doing the little open houses or grand openings and just kind of showing you how it goes out here. I didn't, oh man, my fault. So I didn't say where we were off the bat, right at the beginning. You know, I get all excited with you guys. This is HBE Performance. And they're just doing like a kind of a little barbecue type of thing, you know, and just a couple people come and hang out. It's kind of like a little private thing, you know. But it was great. Like I said, everybody was super cool. Infinity's cool. But so you guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like these little open houses like this. Come out and kind of show you just the vibe out here. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna head to the next one. I'm gonna keep hitting the cars and coffee. If you guys have a car, if you guys want to do a feature or something like that, do an interview, you guys hit me up. Drop it in the comments, hit me, DM me on IG. Let's talk about it. If you're in the DMV area, even a little north, New Jersey, New York area, hit me up. We're gonna start doing those. I wanna start doing features and really showing, you know, what's out here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I always say, okay, thank you for all your support, everything else. I'm gonna get out of here for now. I'll see you guys at the next one. All right.